Here is something to think about. Should bicycle shops be asking potential customers for $100 deposits in order to get their names on a buyer list? They often don't even know when the orders are going to be filled, and in some cases, it can be a year or more in the future. In March of 2020, a friend of mine decided it was time to get a new mountain bike and called up his local bike shop. They told him that they were out of stock, but had some bikes coming in May, and for a $100 non-refundable deposit, they would put his name on a list to ensure that he would be eligible to get one when they arrived. When May came, he called up the shop and was advised that the shipment was delayed until late summer. Then fall. This spring, 2021, he called them up again only to be told, "Sorry, we are not expecting any bikes until the fall of 2021. A week ago, he decided to explore other options and call a second shop. After letting them know the specifics of the bike he was looking for, they advised that there was a shipment due in a few days and there were two similar bikes that were yet to be sold. For $100, he could seal the deal when they arrived. So he gave another $100 non-refundable deposit with the intention of going back to the first shop to purchase some accessories. At least he would get the bike in time for the beginning of the season. Or so he thought. A couple of days ago he called up the second shop to find out when he could come in to pick up the bike and was told that the shipment was delayed and it would be at least May before he could get one. So now, he's caught between the proverbial rock and a hard place. He has two $100 deposits on the table and is no closer to getting a bike. Personally, I would think twice about putting down a non-refundable deposit on bicycles. True, bike sales have been up due to COVID, but the fact is that the factories in the Far East have had their production drastically reduced due to the pandemic, and some estimates are it could be at least 2022 before bike inventories return to normal. So, you may want to hang on to your deposits and take up walking. Or, perhaps get that old bike fixed up, if you can find parts, and wait it out. Best of luck out there and happy cycling. Stay safe. Feel free to leave me some comments on how you were able to purchase a bike. I'm also open to other ideas and suggestions to help my friend out of a bind. Thanks guys.